In this video, I am going to show you how to use Humana Healthy Benefits Card at Walmart. So, if your Humana Medicare Advantage plan includes a Healthy Benefits, Healthy Options Allowance, or Spending Accounts card, you can use it at Walmart to pay for eligible items. What you can buy depends on your specific Humana plan, and not every product at Walmart qualifies. Before shopping, though, you'll have to go and activate your Humana card if you haven't already. Check your available balance through the Humana member account or by following the instructions included with your card. Then, when shopping at Walmart, look for products marked as Benefits Program eligible in the Walmart app or walmart.com. And in store, you can use the Walmart app to scan an item barcode to see if it's covered by your benefits. Eligibility depends on your Humana plan. Add your eligible items basically to your cart, whether it's online or in store. And if you're shopping online, you can also add the Humana Benefits card to your Walmart wallet. You can open an account, go to wallet, add a new payment method, and choose that benefits card. You can enter your card information and save it. And at checkout, you can select your Humana Benefits card, whether you are shopping online or in store. So if you're online, just enter your card details. If at store, swipe the physical card in store, and the card will automatically apply available funds to eligible purchases. If your purchase includes non-eligible items or exceed your available limits, pay the remaining amount using another payment method. And if you do that, you should be good to go. If your card was declined, just make sure that your card is activated, that you have some available funds in your card, and you're buying items covered by your specific Humana plan. So that's how you use Humana Healthy Benefits card at Walmart. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.